This is a small, long, and narrow house, one of the most challenging types to design, with lot dimensions of 4.5 meters by 15 meters. In this house, we need to accommodate a family of 4, with a living room, dining area, kitchen, toilet, and bath, 2 bedrooms, laundry area, and auxiliary kitchen. And we're excited to show you our design process, from the floor plan to the interior design, all the way through to the exterior. We will give you 5 steps on how to properly design a house like this. And the 5th tip includes the overall design style and how to make the house even more comfortable. So stay tuned. Plus, we will provide a list of materials and products that you can use in your own house, which we have used in this house design. Check the description below. Let's get started. Step number 1, use firewalls to maximize the space. For this type of lot, we need to use a firewall to maximize the space for the house. Because according to the building code, we are required to provide setbacks around the lot. But if we comply with this, there would hardly be any space left for the house. One way to utilize this space is by using a firewall because it allows us to build right up to the boundary line without leaving the usual setbacks. This not only saves space but also enhances the safety of the house by providing a barrier against potential fires from adjacent properties. Now that we have a firewall, we face another issue: ventilation. When using a firewall, we cannot place windows or any openings in it. In a long and narrow house like this, we need to ensure that almost all rooms have ventilation. So we set back the house wall by 1 meter from the firewall to still provide ventilation for the rooms inside and maximize space. Step number 2, use open floor plan. Combine living, dining, and kitchen areas into one open space. Now that we've solved how to maximize the lot, we will use a bubble diagram to plan the arrangement of the rooms. First, we'll draw the site and subtract the open spaces. We'll allocate 5 meters at the front of the lot for parking, 2 meters from the property line at the back for an auxiliary kitchen and laundry area, and 1 meter on one side. Then, we will use an open floor plan, combining the living, dining, and kitchen areas. It enhances the sense of space, making even a narrow home feel spacious and welcoming. The 2 bedrooms and toilet require ventilation, so we'll place them where we can add windows. Step number 3, use smart storage solution to maximize space and efficiency. Now that we've figured out the allocated spaces for our long and narrow house, we're going to incorporate smart storage solutions to use the space efficiently and maximize it. Let's head to the kitchen. First off, we used a single wall kitchen layout because it's space efficient and just right for our small, long, and narrow house. You'll find the sink placed between the range and refrigerator, which makes cleaning up and preparing food easier. In addition to this, we took advantage of the high ceiling to create hanging cabinets, providing more storage. We did the same with the lower portion to avoid clutter in the kitchen. This design not only saves space, but also keeps everything within reach, making your kitchen experience more enjoyable and less cramped. In these bedrooms, we also used smart storage. For the first room, we incorporated a bunk bed to utilize the space underneath. We turned the steps leading to the bunk bed into storage to make the most of every available space. For the lower bed, we added extra storage underneath. In the second bedroom, we built a cabinet and elevated the bed, creating additional storage in its steps. We also installed a built-in table connected to the cabinet next to the bed, making it a working area and further maximizing the small space. These designs are not just about saving space. They're about creating a room you'll love. Every corner is thoughtfully used, making sure you have enough storage without making the room feel cramped. Step number 4, incorporate natural and layered lighting. Now, let's use natural light by installing large windows and a clerestory window. This will save energy and give our small, long, and narrow house a beautiful ambiance. You'll love how the sunlight brightens up the space, making it feel airy and welcoming, while also being eco-friendly. We also used artificial lighting in every area, starting with the living area. The layered lighting here serves several purposes. It highlights the wall texture, adding depth to the space. The soft glow is easy on your eyes while watching TV in a dark room. It creates a cozy, warm atmosphere, perfect for relaxing. Plus, it doubles as ambient lighting, enhancing the room's overall look even when the TV is off. In the dining area, we used a mix of layered lighting to create the perfect setting. Pendant lights above the table offer focused light, great for eating or reading. Recessed ceiling lights spread light evenly, making the entire space welcoming with no dark spots. Decorative wall lights cast diagonal patterns on the wood-paneled wall, adding a stylish and modern feel. In the kitchen, we've picked various types of lighting. Over the counter, we have task lights for better visibility during food preparation. Inside the glass-doored upper cabinets, accent lights highlight your items, adding charm. The room's ambient light creates a cozy and welcoming feel, perfect for cooking, eating, or relaxing. This blend of lighting makes the kitchen both useful and a visually attractive area. In the first bedroom, we used layered lighting to create the perfect atmosphere. Pin lights on the ceiling are the main source of light, great for when you need the room really bright, like when cleaning or looking for something. Then there's bedside lighting, which is a smaller light perfect for reading or other tasks where you don't need the whole room lit up. We also have accent lighting that highlights the accent walls, adding a special touch to the room. In the second bedroom, we used different lights smartly. Under-bed lights give a gentle glow, great as a nightlight, and for safely moving around in the dark. The main light, the pin light, brightens the room when needed. Shelf lighting is useful for seeing things on shelves and looks nice, making the room both handy and cozy. This setup creates a welcoming space for you to relax and enjoy. Step number 5. Adopt tropical design principles, elements, and design style. In designing this narrow, elongated house, we closely followed the principles of interior design suitable for warm climates. One key concept is the natural movement of air. Warm air rises while cooler air stays low. This principle guided our design choices to maximize comfort in a tropical setting. We started with installing a large window that allows fresh, cooler air to flow into the house. This is complemented by a clerestory window placed at the highest point of the house, which serves an important function. As warm air rises, it escapes through this upper window, creating a natural circulation of air. This design not only keeps the house cooler, but also ensures a constant supply of fresh air. Next, we considered the interior's style. The color palette chosen is light and airy, with shades that reflect the sun's heat rather than absorbing it. This helps in keeping the house cool. The furniture style follows a minimalist approach, with pieces that are both functional and stylish, yet not overcrowding the space. This aids in the free movement of air and creates a sense of openness. Plants play a vital role in our design. We integrated indoor plants that thrive in tropical climates. These plants not only bring a touch of nature indoors, but also help cool the environment naturally. They add an element of tranquility and freshness to the space. Furthermore, we selected materials and textures that complement the tropical theme. Natural fibers, like cotton and linen, are used for upholstery, enhancing the overall comfort. Light curtains allow natural light while providing privacy and adding an element of softness to the rooms. His house's design is a balanced blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. By leveraging the principles of air movement, choice of colors, furniture, plants, and materials, we've created a space that's not just visually appealing, but also naturally cooler and more comfortable in a tropical climate. So, what do you think? Our tropical theme home is not just a place to live, it's a way of life. From the breezy living room to the nature-inspired service area, every corner is crafted to make you feel at ease, blending style with functionality. If you've got ideas or questions, feel free to drop a comment below. We really value your input. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome design insights. See you in the next one.